Let me introduce myself. My name is Arsita Maharani Pramudiarini. Di sini saya mewakili kelas 10C untuk lomba storytelling bahasa Inggris dengan tema Sumpah Pemuda. Sumpah Pemuda, or in English called Youth Pledge. The name of Sumpah Pemuda comes from the word pledge and youth in Indonesian. Pledge is defined as a promise and must be kept, so that the youth pledge means the promise of the youth, which was declared during the Second Youth Congress in Jakarta, October 28, 1928. In 1908, the Indonesian people began to have the awareness to unite against the colonials. In various regions, Indonesian youth began to form associations and oppose the colonialists. Then, in 1928, the sense of Indonesian nationality and unity began to reflect a sense of pride, a sense of having high aspiration for an independent Indonesia. Previously, the first Congress was held in Bandung in 1926. Then, in 1928, at the initiative of the PPPI, the Second Youth Congress was held in 3 different buildings and divided into 3 meetings, resulting in the Youth Pledge. In the last Congress, the formulation of the Congress was announced. By the youth persons, the formula was declared as a pledge of allegiance, the Youth Pledge. But now it seems like the meaning of the Youth Pledge was nearly gone. People become more selfish and people start to do crime in order to stay alive. People become lazy to get to work because they consider that doing crime is the most easy way to become rich. They won't realize what consequence for their country if Indonesia have many crime. Some of them dislike their own country and even work for another country. Some of them are realize how important the Youth Pledge and obey the norm. They work for their own country, Indonesia, and make Indonesia more interesting in the tourist day. I believe if Indonesian people work together and try to work for their own country, Indonesia will not be underestimated by other country because Indonesia is strong. Budaya literasi, wujudkan SMAN berprestasi. That's all from me. Mohon maaf jika ada kesalahan kata. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.